Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to activate the Lollipop theme on Facebook Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. And then open the conversation where you want to change the background theme. Now tap on the eye symbol from the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Then go to Theme. At the top you will see the new theme, Lollipop. If you do not see this theme, you need to update your Messenger app. Now tap on it. You will see the preview, how it will look after applying the theme. Tap on Select. And the new theme is now applied on this specific chat. When you choose a new theme, a background for that theme will appear in your conversation, and the color of all of the icons and chat bubbles will be changed. So in this way, you can activate the Lollipop theme on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.